On top of that, don't stop! I've never been to jail! I've never been to jail, please! Stop! Please, I've never been to jail!
This is Danny, 21 years old. She's a shoplifter who ended up pinned to the ground in front of her boyfriend who just happened to be there, all while trying to pass herself off as a 13-year-old child.
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plate?
Yeah, the girl they just had outside. I was like walking up like, whoa, what the...
They're saying that she got lost. They're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god.
It all started with suspicious behavior in a Target aisle. Danny used a tactic well known to loss prevention: skip scanning. She scanned a few items at the self-checkout, but deliberately forgot others, the more expensive ones, hidden at the bottom of her cart. Employees immediately alerted the police, but when officers arrived, the situation quickly spiraled.
Yeah, I mean, you have an issue with the scanning machine?
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register. I didn't have an issue. She fixed it for me.
Who'd you come with? So
Like it's my friend. She has to go to her kids today. It's her kid's birthday today. That's the reason why I came here.
Hello, did you come with a
My friend?
friend?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You're not in trouble, but obviously she's in trouble. I mean, I guess you're shoplifted. But what is her name?
I don't answer questions. I'm sorry.
Okay, you need your identification because you actually went in there. And you guys both came together? Huh?
I went to the store to pick up her money.
I'm not asking if you went to the store. I'm asking if you guys both came together.
So there's my driver's license.
It's a yes or no.
I don't
There's
answer
cameras.
questions, sir. There's fine, and that's fine. You can see on camera then that I
You
came
are
into
so
the
being
store.
uncooperative right now. Why is that?
I just
I'm
didn't
trying to be
already.
cool with you, but you give me a hard time.
But sir, I don't answer questions. See, then I'll just be stopped. I gave you my ID. Is there anything else I can provide you with? You want my insurance and registration? I do have that.
No, this is not a traffic stop. This is a criminal offense investigation, okay?
Okay.
So you can sit there. If you're not going to answer a question, then shush.
I will, and I will. Do you want? Can we come talk to the register? Because she's literally just helped me through the register. I don't see what the problem is.
All right, so you can walk through this, officer. We're going to go back in the store. I'm going to grab your shopping cart. Cool? I go talk until we get out and just scan everything and pay for everything.
And then, hold on, slow down.
I'm gonna find the lady.
No, we're gonna go right here.
I'm gonna find the
No,
lady.
you're gonna come over here. Come over here now.
I can't ask the lady that just helped me at the register.
We're gonna go right here and talk to them. Let's go. We're trying to be cool with you. Come on.
Look, there she is right there.
No.
Excuse me. Can you please tell the officer that you helped me for this people? Yeah. Everything was fine, right? Yeah, she paid for everything.
Okay, we gotta talk to somebody over here, and then we'll get things sorted out.
Which one she didn't get?
Pretty much, so the vacuum, the Legos, this, and this stuff in here. I have to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem?
You didn't pay.
What do you mean I didn't pay?
Yeah.
There's something fascinating about suspect psychology, the ability to deny reality even when the evidence is staring you in the face. Danny insisted she paid, convinced her lie would hold up. But denying the truth when you're caught red-handed is like trying to put out a fire with gasoline.
So gift pack is probably going to be these, the water at the bottom, and then Wonder Shop is going to be this bag. Yep.
And the one she didn't pay for is
All these, this bath mat.
Dude, I got the Legos at the first one. I got the Legos at the first register.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. And she finished helping me scan me out.
where's the receipt for that?
I don't know, it's probably there still. If you go look.
Well, you have a receipt for this and I have the receipt for the rest.
Because I had to go to 2 different registers.
We're going to go in here, all right?
I'm not going in there, yo. Can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the dude, I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing? Get your hands off of me. I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get them off of me. I didn't do anything. I paid for this stuff. Get them off of me. Get off of me. I'm only, wow, I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old! You can't do this without my parents' permission! He's not. They're not here. You can't do this to me. I'm underage.
Is your ID in your purse?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
So you're not underage then?
Can I just take the stuff I paid for and leave?
No, we're beyond that. You
I'll
probably
be
would
cool
have.
with you.
We would have been doing that if you were cool.
Can we get an estimate on?
Yeah. I feel that vacuum.
you're
I
trying to
didn't
go
even know that was down there.
I was gonna go
like,
get
that
a
was
seat.
still
Sorry.
there. I didn't even know that vacuum was down there. I just I was seeing it. I was seeing that the vacuum was down there.
All right, let's start with your last name, your first name, and your date of birth. Let's start there. What's your last name?
Can I please leave?
No.
I didn't leave with anything. I
Yes,
didn't
you did.
steal anything.
What's your last name?
Can I please leave,
We're gonna get
please?
another charge.
Please,
What's your last
just let
name?
me leave,
No.
please.
What's your last name?
Please, just let me leave.
What is your last name?
I'm just a little kid, bro.
Okay,
I'm
we're gonna charge
underage.
you with another crime.
Dude, I'm
Underage.
Yeah, that is.
2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
Dude, I just. Dude, I want to go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Pretending to be a minor isn't just a bad strategy, it's an insult to the intelligence of officers who have instant access to mobile databases. Danny doubled down on this lie to try and stall the arrest, likely hoping for leniency based on her supposed age.
On top of that,
Please leave me alone. Please let me go. Please. Please.
don't stop.
Please let me alone.
Let go one.
Please.
Stop.
I've never been to jail. I've never been to jail. Please.
Stop.
Please, I've never been to jail. Please leave me alone. Please, Nick, help me. Nick, help me. Please.
Okay, I'm gonna forget this thing.
Grab it.
Please, Nick, help me. I'm just a little kid.
Leave on it. Hold it. Stop.
Please. I'm just a little girl. Please. Call my parents. Please call my parents.
Chill. Front of this car right here. Go.
Can you grab that for me, please?
Yes, I got
Thank
it.
you.
I want to go to jail, please.
Nobody said you're going to jail.
Let's check her first.
Stay right there. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
He said I could pay for it. I'll pay for all this stuff. Can I please pay for it?
Do you have anything hidden on you?
Can I please pay for it?
Huh?
No.
Okay.
The suspect tried to frame a crime as a simple checkout mistake, but it was already far too late. She seemed to think shoplifting works like a satisfaction guaranteed policy, a complete misunderstanding of how the criminal justice system actually works.
Can I pay for the stuff, please?
We'll get there. Get in the car.
Please, can I buy it, please?
Sit down. Put your feet in now.
Don't buy it for it. I'll pay for it,
Go.
please. I
Watch
got
your
the
feet.
money to pay for it.
Watch your feet.
Please, can I please?
That's my girlfriend. You like tackled her.
That was Smoker they tackled?
Yeah, dude. I don't know where she was.
Well, she got. They're saying that she got locked. They're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me, dude?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plane?
Yeah, the girl they just had outside. I was like walking up, like, whoa, what the?
Okay, so you guys all came together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never tackled anyone. That was cool.
I was laughing because I'm like, she's really 13? Damn.
I know what kind of skincare, right?
That girl was laughing. I was like, did you see her? She got her. And I was like, I was watching her.
They're not gonna take her to jail, right?
Oh, she's going to jail.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah, this could have all been avoided if she would have been cooperative, but she's not being cooperative.
The security officer opened the door and like left the door.
Slip her cuffs.
Yeah. Took the cuff, but when the security officer opened the door, she just bolted.
Yeah. I was talking to Sana. I look up and I heard screaming. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Danny?
Huh?
Danny?
Danny?
Yeah.
What's Danny's last name? We are back with you guys, okay?
No problem.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Munoz. We're gonna get you out and we're gonna take you pictures real quick, okay? You've already had one incident, we don't want another, okay? Okay, thank you. I appreciate you. Let's keep it.
Any injuries on hands or anything?
No, we'll take pictures anyways.
I'm so sorry.
Danny didn't walk away with just a shoplifting charge. She turned a minor offense into a complex criminal case, petty theft, for the unpaid items, including Legos, a vacuum, and home decor. Resisting arrest for physically struggling with officers. False personation, lying about your identity or age during a criminal investigation is an additional charge in almost every state. Danny wanted free Legos and decor. Instead, she ended up with a mugshot and a lesson she won't soon forget. Target security sees everything, and whether you're 13 or 21, the handcuffs fit just the same.